Once again in Tecnologías, we will give you the solution to your problem if by chance Capcut does not run on your computer. I have the solution. The first thing you must do is verify Capcut is running. If you touch the open and it does open, it is because some application file is not working correctly. So what we are going to do is check in the tasks manager. You can look for it there in Windows or what if Capcut is not running. You can look for it there in the letter once we verify the application and it is not running on your CPU, memory, disk or network. What we are going to do is close here, and we are going to open the file location. In my case, it's the second option about Capcut. Okay, we can see here, and we enlarge, we will see that we already have this folder, and we are going to click and uninstall and eliminate application all. It must be deleted because it's not in good condition. We delete all its files, then we have the option to go to trash. Now, okay, press trash and delete all trash, and so you can install it normally. I will leave you the update version of Capcut, and it just doesn't open because your computer needs an application cleaning. That will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to tell us what you thought of it.